Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a few things here to show you from one of my favorite places. It is from Fansells. I love Fansells, and I got some cute things here. I got a few things. I got an assortment of stuff, okay? We're going to get some weird shadows because it's kind of dark right now. It's getting gloomy outside, it's getting to be dusk, and it might rain. So we got all that going on, okay? So let's show you what we have. What's in the first bag? I love things that come in bags. All right, what do we have? Oh, yeah. Okay, so I always have to open some of these packages to figure out who this is from. The bags do not tell you who they're from. Everybody thinks, oh, just look at the bag. It tells you. I'm like, no, it doesn't. So let's show you what's in this one. I was pleased when I saw this. All right, let's get into it. When I looked on the website, I thought these were smaller than they actually are. They're actually a very nice size. That's what toolkit looks like. Here's our drills. And look, we have some ribbons. We got some nice ribbons, okay? What do we need the ribbons for? Well, we need the ribbons to hang these. So these are photos, like photo frames. And I mean, look at the size of this thing. It's a nice size. I thought they were going to be like maybe half this size, like small. But that's a nice size. You can put your photo right in here, cut it out, put a photo in there. So I don't know if that's sticky. Like, will it stick right to that? I'm going to find out here in about 30 seconds. Let's see. Is that sticky? It is. So if you print off a photo, cut it to size to fit in there, it would stick right in there. And look, it's a dog bone. It's only 2 colors, little gingham, super cute. And then, of course, we have a ribbon to hang it by. So I love that. Isn't that cute? So that's one of them. Here's another one, and this one has red and black. Love it, right? I mean, these are really a nice size. And then, then we have the matching paw print and the matching red and black one. So aren't those cute? I mean, that's adorable. Put your little pictures in here, give them as gifts. I'm thinking, what a great gift for like grandparents or something. The kids get their school pictures, put their little school picture in there, and give them that for Christmas. Wouldn't that be fun? Now, there's not a ton of different drill colors. We have clear rhinestones, we have black regular drills, and we have red rhinestones. So that's the only colors. Now, here's the neat thing, though. I picked the paw print and bone ones, the animal ones. There are other sets. If this one's not your jam, you don't want the animal, paw print, bone type stuff, they have other things. So check that out. I will link these below, but you can always, once you see how it's listed, like what they call that, then you could do a search and you could find others. All right, let's get into this one. I love things in bags and boxes. They're so much fun. This is where all the fun little off-canvas projects come from, right? Okay, what do we have? Toolkit. Okay, so we have, I hope these are one piece, like they're all put together. The danglies, sometimes you have to put them together, and that's, oh my gosh, that can be irritating. So these are all put together. So you got this chunky crystal at the bottom and some beads, and there's some other attachment pieces in here, rings and things like that to attach this to your piece, okay? I'm not going to take all that out, but you see how that works, okay? I like that that's all put together for us. Perfect. What are they going to attach to? They're going to attach to these 2 adorable little gnomes. Aren't they cute? And they're double-sided. All right, 2 little gnomes, little Christmassy gnomes. Look, he's got a bell dangling off his hat. He's carrying a Christmas tree, and he's got some holly on his hat. Aren't they cute? I think they're adorable. Okay, so there's that. What are our drills? What do we have to put on those little guys? Love it. Man, you guys are so far away. Let's see if I can zoom you in. Zoomy, zoomy. Zoomy, zoomy, zoomy. There we go. A little closer. You don't need to be that far away. All right, so we have clear rhinestones. Red, another shade of red. That's like a peach. That's kind of an orangey color. A green, another green, yet another green, another orange, black, green, and gold. It's all rhinestones. No special drills mixed in with this one, but that's fine, right? Just fine. Oh, wait, they fell out. There's some right there. Some of the smooth, clear red pearls. Love it. So there's our second project. Fun, 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 right? Love it. Okay, let's look at a painting next. Why not? Let's look at us a painting. Okay, this is a 40 by 40. I loved it. Oh, I loved it. Right? How cool is that? It's just this open book with flowers and butterfly. Beautiful colors. Isn't that pretty? So these 40 by 40s are probably going to be about 35 by 35 centimeters. This one has 11 different colors. I see some larger special drills here. I see C and A, so there must be a B up there over here. I see D. That's at least 4. Okay, A, B, C, D. We got 4 at least. Isn't it pretty though? Look at the colors on it. It's so pretty. All these flowers and things. I love this one. What did I just do with the drills? What did I do with the drills? I tossed them on the other painting. Well, that wasn't a smart thing to do. Make sure I get the right ones. WQ202. Yep, it's these. I still have one package of drills like this downstairs, but I can't find the painting that it belongs to. I don't know. It'll turn up someday. I'll find a painting that won't have any drills. So we have some lime green, some yellow gold. What color is that? Peachy, pink, purple, deeper purple, beautiful blue, lemon yellow. And then here's our special. So we have some gold balls, some gold marquee, some very pretty purple marquee, and some very pretty blue marquees. Ooh, it's shining. It's getting you, isn't it? Shining you right in the face. I know. They're pretty though. Nice. I like it. Okay, so that's our first painting. You can go over that way. Hang out over there. All right. What do we have? Let's do the other painting. I got another painting. All right. Another toolkit. This one is the same size, but it's a dragonfly. They had several dragonflies. They may have had several books as well. So you just got to go check things out when you look. Of course, I'll link all of these below so you can find the exact ones that I have, but then look around. Many times they have multi-listings, as I call them, or when you find this one, if it's listed by itself, you scroll a little bit, you'll find the others. There's lots of fun things there. So what are our drills for this one? We have some greens and another shade of green. And we have this beautiful blue. Then we have some purple, some orangey color, peachy, another purple. Or is that blue? No, it's more purple. Then we have these big gold balls. Love that. Then we have the green AB marquees. Love them. And we have blue. So pretty. So, so, so pretty. Love it. You can see where them gold balls are going to go right here, right? And then some of our marquees are going to go here and here. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Okay, I got one more item to show you. Let's move this one this way. These are taking up some space. They're taking up some real estate, man. They're big. I like them. I like them. All right, what do we have in here? What do we have in here? Another off-canvas project in a box, in a bag. Open up our bag. This is wooden. I already see wood here. So here is our, wow, thick, thick, thick base. Look how thick that thing is. And it's all wood. Wow, that's thick. Okay, what else? Let's get the rest out here. Get the rest out. Get our drills. Get our toolkit. Okay, here's our object that goes in the center. It's one-sided, but look how pretty it is. Look how pretty that is. It's a tree with 2 cardinals, and the tree is all decorated for Christmas. We got branches coming out. Super pretty. Look at this down here at the bottom, this pattern at the bottom. I like that a lot. Got some, this is probably going to be red, like little berries. That looks like holly. Oh, they got babies. They're in a nest. So look, it's mommy and daddy, 2 babies. This is their nest, and they have a Christmas tree in their nest. I haven't seen one of those yet in my yard, but I mean, that's fun, isn't it? All wooden. It's one-sided. I love the wooden projects. I think they're pretty nifty. All right. let's get into these drills. And then it's going to be time to clean up and feed my dogs. They're going to be like, we're hungry, Mom. It's time for food. All right, here's our colors. A beautiful golden yellow, an orangey color, a brown, another brown, and we have some black. We have a couple of shades of red and red, clear. Oh, there's those berries I said, right? That's going to make the berries. And then we have some champagne teardrops. And we have some little clear marquees. I love it. I love this type of project. They're quick, they're easy, they're fun to do, and they turn out super, super nice. So I wanted to kind of pull some things back in here, you know, and give you a little review. The two large ones are super nice. I love those. Then we have our cardinals in the nest with the tree. I don't know, what else can I show? Let's just put these over here. We got our two little gnomes. And then we have our cute, cute, cute little picture frame type things. Love it. All right, so that's what I had today from my friends at Fansells. Thank you, Fansells, for sending these and letting me pick out some nifty things to show everybody. And I will link them below. And I just need you guys to watch the video and like it and subscribe and comment and do all those things, right? That's all. It's easy. And I appreciate it so much. It's the easiest things are the most appreciated, really, honestly. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I will see you next time. And I got to take care of this real quick and go feed them puppies before they start fussing at me. All right. I'll talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.